Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how you can create the halftone effect just using simple steps that I show you today. Halftone effect is a really cool idea that you can apply to your imagery, and I guarantee if you implement the steps that I show you today, you'll be able to really create some cool, modern, fresh designs. We have our image here, and the first thing I would like to do is convert this to a smart object. The reason we do this is because when you apply filters to an image, you'd want to be applying them to a smart object. The reason is because then what you'll be creating is a smart filter. The benefit of smart filters is that you're able to edit, change, manipulate as you go through your design process. So as you can see here, what I have is my layer here highlighted. And if I just simply right click on that layer, I can convert to smart object. And you know this is a smart object when you see this little icon on the layer thumbnail. Now, if I come to filter, we are now going to use our filter gallery. Now, there is a number of filters that we can use. Just going to press Command 0 for Mac users or Control 0 for Windows users, just to go back to full view mode here. Yeah, there are a number of filters that we can apply, but the one that I would like to be applying first of all is what we call reticulation. Now, I'm going to say here, I'm going to say a density of around 0, foreground level around 2, and we're going to use 36 points for background level. Now, what I'm going to do is add another filter. As you can see, we're going to need to is come to that plus sign there, and you can add a new filter. But I need to change that particular filter. So I'm going to come to grain, and we're going to keep a intensity of around 20. And we're going to do a contrast probably around, let's say, 34. Okay. And now we're going to add another filter. Yet again, come to the plus sign here. And we are going to add a filter of halftone pattern. Make sure you have your pattern type here at dot. I'm going to keep the size around 4, let's say, and probably the contrast here to about, let's say, 50 maximum, as you can see there. And then what we need to do is add another filter. So you again come to the plus sign here. And the filter that I'll be applying is what we call film grain. Now, with the actual grain itself, I'm probably going to keep a number of 11. Let's say the highlight area, probably around, let's say, 18. And we'll keep the intensity at 2. And press OK. And there you have it, guys. That's how you simply create the halftone effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.